And the cylinder stop is all off Smith & Wesson. So all of the rules that apply to Smith & Wesson apply to this one. Make it stay down longer by the shape of this portion and this portion of the cylinder stop and this portion of the trigger nose. You make it go down farther by moving the cylinder stop rearward. And this has an elongated hole, and here's a plunger down here in the spring that activates the cylinder stop to push it up and forward. So you can elongate the hole so that the cylinder stop can come farther rearward, and that will allow it to go down farther. It'll also stay down a little longer at the same time if you want that. And so the problems with Smith & Wesson cylinder stop of pop-up and stuff is not as common on this gun, but it still happens, and the fix is the same way. I like the cylinder stop, and it's amazingly strong. To take it apart now any further, you see a hole in the extractor rod. We'll push the center pin until it's about flush with the end of the extractor itself like this, and we'll rotate that until the hole lines up, the pin lines up with the hole. Okay, I have the pin lined up with the hole. Take a punch and push out the pin. The pin is very small. Don't lose it. Small. Now, I put this cartridge here, it doesn't matter what you put, to hold the extractor assembly out so that I can get at the little hole. Now I'll just drop it out of the way. I now have the punch through and the pin is gone. I lay it down so I don't lose anything, and I pull the punch out. And we have a collar or bushing and a spring. And now we can pull the center pin assembly out. Pull out the extractor. And now the crane doesn't want to come off. Just take a punch, put in our hand, and the transfer bar. When you go to put it in the gun, the transfer bar has to be behind the latch, and the hand has to be in front of the latch. So you have to kind of guide it in and hope that the spring stays put like a good little spring should. Okay, now I've got that in place. Now